Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful floral spring wreath using flowers that I found at Dollar Tree. So here I'm going to be showing you the items that I used to make the wreath. You have this beautiful polka dot bow. You're also going to use wire cutters, floral wire, pipe cleaners. You're going to need a grapevine wreath and a handful of flowers of choice. Also, I used a hot glue gun. And at the end, you'll see the hello sign that I got from Dollar Tree that I also attached to this wreath. So now let's get started. So here I'm going to be arranging my bow on top of the wreath. I usually like mine a little bit off center or either in the middle. But for this project, it doesn't matter. You can put your bow however you want it or wherever you want to place it on your wreath. So once you organize and pick out the flowers that you're going to use for your wreath, I kind of make sure I pull off any stickies. I kind of pull on the flower heads and make sure none are flimsy. And I cut and organize. And I just basically push the stem of the flower into the wreath. I usually like to start working close to the bow and then outward. But it's up to you however you want to do your flower placement. So I'm adding in these yellow flowers to give more of a contrast color to the pink flowers. Also, the yellow gives more of a pop to the wreath, which gives the wreath more of a springish or spring look. So I wanted to put in some greenery to kind of fill in the spaces or gaps in between the flowers. So I'm just basically cutting these green leaves and kind of tucking them in areas that I think have too much of space, and to kind of give the wreath more of a full look, a fullness. So once again, I wanted to give the wreath a little bit more fullness, so I used these artificial cotton stems. So I cut it and tried to place it onto the wreath. It was a little bit too long, so I went back and cut it into two, cut the stem into two. And I just kind of pushed those two stems in the areas that I felt it needed to be a little bit more. Here is the final product. I hope you like it. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for getting through my first YouTube video. Yay!